Imagine waking up one morning and the world goes dark. For most of us, it's a terrifying thought. But for over 258 million people living with visual impairment, this isn't just imagination, it is their everyday reality. But what if technology could do more than just entertain? What if an app could instantly connect those in need to a sighted volunteer anywhere on the planet? What if we could literally share our sight through a camera lens? This is the heart of a revolutionary community. That app exists, and it's called Be My Eyes. Today, we're exploring how a simple idea transformed millions of lives. Visual impairment is a global challenge, affecting nearly 2.2 billion people worldwide to varying degrees. Think about the small things: reading the expiration date on a milk carton, or identifying the correct medication bottle. Navigating a new city or a crowded transit hub can be overwhelming without visual cues most of us ignore. While guide dogs and canes are incredible tools, they require years of training and significant investment. In 2012, Danish entrepreneur Hans-Jørgen Viberg saw these barriers and imagined a more accessible bridge. Hans knew that most people have a powerful camera in their pocket. He wanted to turn those cameras into eyes for others. The idea was simple: real-time video connection. Connect someone who can't see to someone who can instantly. The user experience is designed for complete accessibility. One big button, one simple action. On the other end, a volunteer receives a notification. Within seconds, a live video link is established. The volunteer can then describe exactly what is in front of the camera, helping with any visual task. It's about restoring independence. But before we see more of the impact, let's talk about your own ideas. If you're inspired to build something that solves real human problems, download our App Idea Validator Toolkit. It helps you take that first step from what if to a concrete plan. The link is right in the description below. Back to Be My Eyes. What started as a small project has exploded into a global phenomenon. Over 5 million users and volunteers have joined, spanning more than 180 countries. Millions of calls have been answered, each one representing a moment of shared humanity. Consider Maria from Spain. Before the app, grocery shopping was a source of anxiety. Now it's an act of independence. Or James in the UK, who uses the app to read personal mail, ensuring his privacy and dignity remain intact. The tech world has taken notice too, with Be My Eyes winning awards from the World Economic Forum. But the awards aren't the point. The point is the simple act of a stranger helping a stranger. Volunteers often say they get just as much out of the call as the person they are helping. It's a moment of connection. In a world that can feel divided, this app reminds us that people are inherently good and want to help. Technology is at its absolute best when it restores dignity and provides a voice to those who need it most. If you're a creator, ask yourself, what real-world problem am I solving? Whose life will be better because of my work? Be My Eyes proves that the most successful apps aren't just about code. They're about empathy and human needs. Your journey as a creator starts with identifying a gap and having the courage to bridge it. And remember, our App Idea Validator Toolkit is there to help you refine that vision. Don't wait to start. The future of accessibility is bright, driven by creators like you who see the world differently. As the saying goes, innovation is seeing what everyone else has seen and thinking what no one else has thought. Be My Eyes is more than an app. It's a movement toward a more inclusive and connected world. Thank you for watching this story of hope. I can't wait to see what you will build. Check the link in the description. Let's build a better world, one connection at a time. See you in the next one. Take care.